In this video, we're going to be talking about core pay part-time, and what I have up here is the rule set for core pay part-time. And again, this is the compensation plan specifically for core salary for that component of part-time faculty pay. So it's for use with part-time exempt faculty. It's an academically enabled pay, meaning that the comp plan looks to the AWP and DPP for pay guidance. This plan can be paid as earned or spread over 12 months for contracts of 8 months or more. For 9-month academic year contracts, this comp plan is earned August 16th through May 15th. In this comp plan, which we'll show you, enter in the full monthly rate and let Workday do the prorations by the AWP and the DPP. The start date should be 7-1. The end date should be 6/30. The cost allocation date should be the first day of the month in which your compensation plan starts, and the cost allocation end date should be the last day of the month in which your comp plan ends. And you can go ahead and just enter cost allocation at the worker position level. So let's go ahead and start on the test record. We're going to select Cary Grant, and we see that he is a part-time at 62.5%, and he spreads 9/12 for the AWP and DPP. So we're going to go ahead and add a comp plan. So we'll click on the related actions button, slide down to compensation, request compensation change. We'll go ahead and set it up for next year. We'll select July 1. The reason, we'll say add a plan and click on OK. You are going to see some other plans up here. This is a test faculty, so there'll be other plans. If you do run into some plans that don't belong, you can go ahead and remove them or adjust them, or else, of course, you can do that process through a different part of the system. But you can do it here also. So we're going to go ahead and add this plan. So we'll click on the plus button here. We're going to search for, by compensation rule, the plan. It's core pay part-time, and again for our part-time exempt faculty. So we'll select an amount and we'll say $9,000 a month. We have to make sure again that the frequency is monthly. For some reason it defaults to annual, and we're going to go ahead and change that. We'll do an end date, like the guidance said, of 6/30. Slide down, click on Done, and then click on Submit. So it will go through the business process. I would go ahead and click here, but the business process in this system is a little bit different. But you click on Submit and it goes through the business process. One more time, I just want to make sure it's for part-time exempt faculty. Sorry about that. It's an academically enabled plan, meaning it looks to the AWP and DPP, so that's important to have in. It can be paid as earned or spread over 12 months. For 9 months, like we did, it's August 16th through May 15th, but we set it up as the start date of 7/1 through 6/30. And again, full monthly rate, and let Workday do the proration. And cost allocation start date, first day of the month in which your comp plan starts. So in this case, it would be 7/1, and the cost allocation end date should be the last day of the month in which your comp plan ends, and in this case, 6/30. And again, at the worker position level. And that's it for this video. Thank you.